Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school project effectively. First, let's dive into planning. Begin by clearly defining your project's scope and objectives. This initial step is crucial for setting a solid foundation. Next, break down your larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the entire process feel less overwhelming and much more achievable. Finally, allocate realistic timeframes for each component, ensuring you have ample time for completion. Now, let's talk about gathering your resources. It's vital to identify credible sources for all your information and data. Think about academic journals, reputable websites, or expert interviews. Once you have your materials, organize them systematically. This will save you a lot of time later. As you research, take detailed notes, focusing on key facts, figures, and any specific measurements you might need. This ensures accuracy and thoroughness in your work. With your research complete, it's time for execution. Stick to your established plan, but be flexible enough to adapt if necessary. Focus on completing one task at a time to maintain high quality and avoid feeling rushed. As you develop your project, don't hesitate to seek feedback from peers or teachers. Incorporating constructive criticism early on can significantly improve your final outcome, leading to a much stronger presentation. Finally, let's discuss reviewing and presenting your hard work. Thoroughly review your entire project for accuracy, completeness, and any errors. A fresh pair of eyes can often spot things you've missed. Practice your presentation multiple times to ensure a smooth, confident delivery. Aim for a clear, concise explanation, perhaps around 5 to 7 minutes. Also, prepare for potential questions from your audience, demonstrating your full understanding of the topic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.